abalaba Sakata vibes babeta DJ Senior B the remix wizard ndi wano ensonga zibanga of course zote zigwayo tuba tujja n'ebintu byesinga okaga okulaba of course byotasobola kulaba ku TV byotasobola kulira ku radio yo byotasobola kusanga anywhere anyhow of course subscribing obenga ofuna updates we tuba tulina HPR ate tuwerabira kwata link yo gisharing wako bano nabo bamanye nti waliwo ekitambula ebeera Sakata vibes nze DJ Senior B ate maanyi ga mugongo kamera awo okubanga naye ensonga zikwasaganya wano we tuli tugenda of course kwogera kuba celeb mubalibe mumanyi nti oba celeb muyimbi oba celeb politician nti oba celeb alina nnyonyi no tugenda kwogera ku celeb naye gomanyi celeb ku social media celeb mu bufumbo celeb mu kwagaliza celeb mu kwagira ensonga za bulijjo of course ziyinza okuba kiri kuggwe oba oyinza okulaba ebintu ngeri gye bitambula munenga weebuuza bakikola batya tugenda kuba tumanya tugenda kuba tulaba bagagga oba naawe osobola ekisookera ddala lwaki abakyala mwesiga makeup
to enhance beauty obaile already oli mulungi something naye abantu abamu balowooza nti bwewesiga makeup abadde omubi alungiwa abadde omulungi asingako nnyo nabeera mulungi nnyo but makeup is all about enhancing beauty.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Naye ali mitendera ntino ono yasinga okulungiya oba kisinzira ku kalayo?
Kisinzira ku kalayo bwobeera omuddugavu ne wesiga owabeeru agenda kukola bulala bwobeera omweru ne wesiga owabaddugavu agenda kukola bulala. So it is all about knowing your color and knowing what is good on you. And waliwo no makeup akulukuta gwe bayita gwe bagamba nti akulukuta.
Namulaba ku kifaananyi kya Shibalumu.
Eyo sigenzeeyo naye nga bw'olaba nga waliwo makeup abeera cheap olumu kubeera kutuuya nange omubiri gwe tegumusiimye. So it is all about that.
Makeup asinga price wa sentiment?
Ebbeeyi makeup agendera ddala paka ku kakadde taata.
Oli serious? Katuuya aba akola atya? Tugamba nti kati njagala wa kakadde. Of course kati ngabo nagereza ku ngato.
Kakati waliwo makeup atakuva ku atamala gavaako like lipstick. Ogenda ogula lipstick waliwo gwe bayita Noba. Wa mitwalo 9. That is just lipstick.
Serious?
Yes, 9 ku 10. Kisinzira wa omusanze oba omuguze. Noba is 90 to 100,000.
Okay.
Naye tavaako tamala gavaako you need to apply something else okujjako kye wataddeko.
Serious?
Something like something like a lubricant.
It's naye bamutundirako nebimujjako.
Yes, not really naye kiri eriggwe osobola osigako blue band okumujjako obulungi osobola okusigako oil kati nze koza oil wa baby wange okumujjako.
Bintu bya bbeeyi. Okay, anze nkumanyi nga Angel Semwanga okyali Angel Semwanga.
Anyways, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Angel. Mami Muni.
Chitro.
Yes.
Chitro. Ali atya Muni?
Muni mulungi.
Ali atya tata we?
Tata we mulungi.
Mweyagala banna. Ndoza Muni ne mwemwogerako bwogezi. Oli yanga lwe kitali kitu.
Mbuchi.
Simanyi. Ali atya general?
He's good.
Lwaki bamutuma general?
Ebibuuzo ebyo ze nno sibinyumirwa because he just woke up one day nalaba nga mwogerize nnyo wa side eri gwoba oli wa people power mwogerize nnyo wa side eri gye sigenda kwogera. Nalaba something general tumwine kye yali akoze oba yakola biki because sibigenderako nze sibimuyita nabimuyita bantu yabyeyita n'abantu ne babimuyita nga bwomuyita naye nze sibimuyita. So oyo guy general tumwine oba yali akoze eki so he liked what he had done. From there and then natandika okweyita general tumwine nabba erinnya lyoli because yayagala kye yali akoze.
Tubbire ku bigezo kituufu agenda kwesimbawo.
Alimba.
Wali yagadde yesemba?
No. Sibinyumirwa actually. No. Sagala nnyo bintu bya politics. Bijja kumujja nnyo ku being a father. Ajja kubeera more busier because he's busy. Atajja kubeera more busier bw'anaagenda side say.
Oba just twagala politics?
I don't like politics but naye ng'omuntu sibimwagalamu.
Nzijjukira Bobi Wine we yagenda n'ayimba Jamaica ku Kivulu baali bakiyita batya ankyerabidde erinnya naye bwe njogera Jamaica buli omu akitegeera. Wali musale nnyo mu kuba campaign ng'oyagala Bobi Wine ayimbeko omuwagira?
Yes, I like Bobi Wine.
Musically oba politics?
Musically omuyimbi gwe njagala e Kampala wano gwe nnyumirwa by the way birala mbeera nsaakanya nyiza n'okuba sirabye oba ayimbye ekinyiza n'okuba nti sirabye nti kineŋŋendera ku bandwagon naye omuyimbi gwe njagala e Kampala ali omu siri muwagizi nnyo wa Bobi Wine.
Nakulabanga oba waliwo pages zalinga 3 ezali streaming live ku share naye nga kwonna gy'oli comment zo bambi kololamu just tumanye nti watuuse.
No, it was, I think, something, and still, like I said, bandwagon naye kubeera kundowooza no ending up ng'olonze ekintu ky'obadde toliimu nnyo because you sing so and so and so bonna bali ku ludda luli, so you're like, okay, I think I can do this, I think I love this, okitegera n'okigenderako nga tukibadde nako.
Kati namwe mubeerawo ne mukayana muno omwami.
Amaka gaffe tegali nnyo mu ebyo ebintu era bw'abireeta nefuula atabiwulira at least ne muwa emmere.
I understand. Nkufunye bulungi. Kati namwe munyiiga like no mu family nga banyiize ne mubeera mu lusirika ne mwogerera ku WhatsApp.
I think ebintu ebyo tebibulamu because we are normal, we are human beings.
Yes.
At some point I will do something he doesn't want, and he will do something that I don't want, and we end up like, okay, you've done this, okay, fine, we don't want to talk about it, but then after some time we shall talk about it. Nga buli omuntu oza akakanyiza amalala. Gaba malala because why wouldn't we talk? Why? Because we know we are non-angels. Lwaki tubadde twogera? Yes. Gaba malala.
Omwami wamanyiddwa nnyo ku social media. Kyekimu naawe. Temufunamu bizibu bantu ba social media kuba nti babatambulirako nnyo biki.
Mbadde simanyi nti tumanyikiddwa nnyo. Seriously, mbadde simanyi naye. Ebizibu bibaamu because when someone knows you and someone knows him, omuntu agenda kulaba ewantu. Mugambe, I saw angel here and there. Okitegeera olya kubuuza oliwa bw'omulimba kaba kaweddemu, okitegeera. And I think batugambye nnyo ebintu like because he's known and I'm known, batusanga ne batugamba this and this and this, but at the end of the day it is all about understanding each other. Yes, when you talk to him and ask him this and this and this, I was told this and this and this by so and so is it true? He will ask you and yakugambye at the end of the day. Of course you have to tell him okitegeera, but it's all about listening to him and trusting him. And understanding him. Bwakugamba ekintu nakugamba nti what I'm telling you is the truth. You have to take his truth, not the other person's truth. Ekyo yes, nga tuli up.
Bwe ntunuulira waliwo battles ezizivaawo z'olwana nno. Lumanyi wa battle mulungi ku social media.
Are you for real?
Ziba serious bomba munyumirwa just social media.
Battle nge yani, I'll tell you.
Waliwo battle yafubutuka mu mama tende eyo. Ebadde yakazikira mabegako awo.
Battle ya mama tende eyo, it was too personal. It was real, by the way. It was real. It was about two girls that had a misunderstanding, and I got caught up in between because one was my friend, and it so happened nga bamaze okuchankalana, and one wanted me to take their side. So they come and tell me, you know what, Angel, this and this and this and this, so and so told me this and this and this. Is it really true? And I'm like, okay. So I got in between because at some point I thought bali bampayiriza ebimu okitegeera. At some point I thought this person I've been clinging with for 4 years, we had no girl drama, we had no what. So I got really upset. I got so disappointed because we've been sharing nothing and nothing but business. We've been business partners. We've been friends. She calls me Angel, njagala yo kano, you know, because she thinks she's too busy to get the stuff. So I get them for her. At the end of the day, ogenda okulaba nga mu business mufuuseemu kirala nga kwogeddeko birala ate by'otamanyi nako, because I do not share my family, I do not share my personal issues. I do not. I only share my issues with someone I feel is my best friend. Ate mmera kulaba nti that best friend tali nnyo nti she can say this, and with God.
All right. Omalira china medenyo ku social media. I really want to know. Mbera namwe nawetaka kama teka. Lero to posting chino. Lero wa posting chino. Bibam.
About don't post this and that. Nedda, because I think he's an adult. I think asobola ku posting only what he thinks is right and for fun, because we are on social media for fun, basically. That's it. About don't post this and that, I can tell him once in a while to post this like it was uncalled for. So techitana nakubao, it's okay, he can post whatever he wants, I can post whatever I want, because at the end of the day we are adults, we think what we are posting is the right thing.
Bwenkwasa kigambo love birds ndozo jja kukitegera bulungi. I consider you that. You are a couple. Mulina abantu namwe ba inspiring nogamba why don't we just be like that couple?
I don't know about him. I really don't know about him, because he has never told me that I would really want us to be like swans. But it into your relationships, you know,
yes.
People give us a different view. When they are in the public, they give us a different view, and they have different issues in there. The same to us. Mulaba tuli fine naye ng'ekiri munda eyo tokimanyi nga tuli mu lusiriko something. Anyway, I'm kidding, but that's it. So nze siri nnyo ku bintu bya inspiration mu relationships, because every relationship has their ups and downs. It's all about how you carry your own relationship and talk to God and talk to your partner. At the end of the day, you will inspire yourselves. Like, okay, we would like to be us. We would like to be us. Instead of saying we would like to be and so and so, and you end up saying we would like to be us.
Whatever the car nogamba ofuna obuzibu oba mu relatives, over family members, over friends, abakugamba nti don't post this.
Okay, my relatives are non-family friends like that?
Yes.
Not really, because I even don't think I have relatives.
Are you serious? Or you you just don't befriend them on social media? I
don't befriend them because you will take a different perspective. Because basically we're on social media to have fun.
Yeah, I understand.
I'm going to post something and twist it the other way around. You will come up with something different.
Yes.
Kusanga mu family meeting obagambe you know. So I don't feel like befriending any relative on social media. It is not me. Because I'm a free person. I'm outspoken. You are going to get a different perspective. Atenge wakandi chirala. Ate social media ngandi chirala. Katogena kulowooza nti ndi bwenti. Otukene mu family nga toyagala kwogera nange because we had issues on social media. So no, I blocked most of them.
Olina selekwe nawe gwotunulira ku social media?
Not really.
Naye obalaba?
Yes, mbalaba.
Obulamu bwabwe obutwala otya?
Banyuma. Naye basically I don't believe in that. Olaba thing is abana betega mu sente nagenda natungisa olugoye nagula engato, because me I know prices zenga, tumanyi prices zengo. Omwana agenda nayambala natonya naye wansi ku bwetudda mu downtown eno ku the accounts and all that, mobile money and all that, nga talina yadde ekikumi nga akolerera kubeera slay queen. Exactly. I'm talking what I've seen before.
Yes.
Balaba ku TV because I don't part.
Okay.
Mbeeraba ku TV ng'avudde mu bbaala bulungi nnyo n'alinnya booda. Naye nga mu bbaala obwedde ospending, obwedde oyiwa money, okitegeera. But at the end of the day, you're going to get out of the bar olinnya ka booda ogenda, okitegeera. So basically, about sleeping and all that, I believe in working my money and save it for something that I think at some point zijja kunyamba, other than slaying. And have ever slayed, I always slay, but mbeerako ne ngamba nti this is my budget, I'm going to put on this and this and this, I'm saving this.
Okay.
Okitegeera. So basically that's it.
How is Muni?
Muni is fine.
Erinnya ligwa luyite?
Munira.
Munira. Oba olyogeza laavu.
Byonna mwebiri naye it's Munira.
Okay. Hey. Wawulira otya
nga nfunye omwana nawulira that was a miracle.
Okay.
That was a miracle because of social media, because we've been talking about social media so much. There is a battle that was going on and someone called me barren. From nowhere, we had a wrangle and someone called me barren. By that time, I used to post so much about 77 days of glory because I used to go there. Okay. At Pastor Robert Kayanjo's church, Rubaga Miracle Cathedral. Yes. So I used to go there so freaking much. So I used to post a lot of 77 days of glory. So after posting about it so many times, someone came up with a story that I'm barren, I'm looking for a child. My man is asking for a child and I cannot give him a child. So I'm looking for a child over there. I got really hurt. I cried. I really cried. And I'm like, okay, I'm done with these tears. Epesa nilinywa.
I know.
I
feel you.
Netugenda ningamba kale paka ekiro tusimbuke naye nga amaziga agenkabyeko olukaaba that day. But you could not know because kyenalindaga ku social media kyali different from what I was passing through. It was a big blow.
So are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
I know waliwo buli bwa posting bwanywa buki?
Jessa Nutri
not buwama butya like amunyumirwa. Nutri tugeza mu Nutri bana. Njagala kumanya njagala wonkubira ekifaananyi tugambe no tugambe go mama Moni. Moni ya fresh kid general ye Sakata fresh kid tuli mu family kati chicholaba. Oh
my god, nga Moni afuse fresh kid or something. Basically munange chenjawulo okuze. I don't want my baby to be a star, to be a musician, sorry. You don't want her to join entertainment? No. Siraba mu gundi eryawo nti no. By the way, naddala abaana abawala basanga ebizibu bingi in those things of being a musician, a celebrity and all that. Abantu are taking advantage of them just because they want to see themselves up there. So they will do anything to see themselves up there. I understand. So sinyo koze nga nkede kumacha nenzalayo amani nenzalayo mwana omulenzi omulenzi ya Jamaica kole byagala. Yes, it is okay. It is okay for a boy, but for a girl, I'm so protective. Wandi agadde omuwala kole ki? Omwana nandi agadde abeere nnyo in fashion. Okay. Yes, fashion decor. Okay. Fashion decor. I love that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bintu byesinga okwagala. Okay. Waliwo wakoledde semeno ngamba muyimbi gwesinga okwagala ali omu tewamutugambye. Muyimbi ki gwesinga okwagala? Kale faaganaga? Omanyi otagaza n'okuntagaza. Omuyimbi gwesinga okwagala. Omuyimbi gwesinga okwagala Rema Namakula. Lwaki ogwako emirembe ng'oyogera erinnya lye? I love her so much. Are you serious? Yes. I love her so much. Oh my god. Okay, I love her so much. Ntivi Numa. I love her so much that it hurts. Okay. Yes. I understand. I really love her so much. Like do you communicate with Rema? Yeah. She's my friend.
Okay.
We communicate, we meet and have a cup of coffee or something, or lunch. We meet up. She's my friend.
All right.
And being friends, like we are just friends, but we are friends that are wow. We are friends, but I love her so much.
Okay.
Even when we meet up, I never get used to her. Because I never get used to her. I love her so much.
Okay. Story yo Muyembe. Muyembe bagulya omuyembe gwali tegunakwengera.
Omuyembe gutya?
Sili Muyembe.
About Sili Muyembe, I'll tell you one thing.
Yes.
She did not write that song.
Okay.
Singa yali yewandikira oluyimba olwo twandigambye nti it is her story okitegeera, but she did not write that song. Someone wrote it for her. Naliwo omuntu gwalaba nti lumusiyotinga okitegeera. Basically she sang for very many ladies out there. Abakazi abali mu situation eyo, abakazi abagala okujjukiza bababo babeerako baagala and all that, like pulling attention y'abaami baabwe. Basically it wasn't about her because she's not that. I'll tell you the truth, she's not that. So I actually don't think this is the right fact about that song. She sang for women out there abali mu passing her through that situation.
Okay.
Nalowooza nti this song will work for them. And she did not write the song, I repeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Wawulira otya nga Kenzo apasinze ekifaananyi n'awandikako ekigambo kimu sigino.
Kenzo. I don't follow Kenzo.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Sabida because when you don't follow someone, you do not see what they post. But I do not follow Kenzo.
Okay.
Yes.
Wawulira otya nga Khalifa aganaga azeemu reply ya Muyembe?
Okay, I'll tell you the fact about Khalifa Agnaga. I don't like that guy.
Why? Aina buzibu ki?
First of all, yalina obwo buviri obwali bumalako emirembe. Obwo buviri bwasiba ne bubeera ng'ekikata kya lumonde wakati mu mutwe. I don't like that guy, by the way. It being you're responding to Muyembe, akonkaita. Okay.
Kamanyiro.
Yes.
Okay.
Because everyone sings what they think is fine for them. You just don't wake up and come out like I'm responding to this and this in someone's song. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Okay.
So just because until yayimbye kumukwano go something, you come up like chiringa chebayita mpalanirako, like yali awalanirako oli. First of all, the song was all about women out there, not REMA in particular. You know, you don't just wake up and respond to someone. Hey, I listened to that song, someone sent it to me. Nemugamba damolu nsindikire ndu deleting. Like I've not deleted it enough. Resend it. I want to delete it again because how dare you? Bayimbe about paying attention. Basically not Sili Muyembe, but then watching go osazeho kubalanira ko rokuba Kenzo mukwano go.
Kayimba karema cheko singo kwagala.
Touch my body. I can say that 100 times.
Mulina kayimba kapya. Be with you,
yes.
Chukula mtu kubanga nyimba za Amaziga na mangu trend.
I think fetuliko. There are very many artists out there bali koko, but with due respect basala over tule once. REMA ito.
Muno mwagala nnyo olimba. Wali awuliddeko oluyimba n'ogamba singa luno lwali lwa REMA.
Yes.
Serious?
Yes. I've listened to I'm a very selfish person, by the way. Mbira njagala ebirungi bibere byaffe. I listened to that song Bankuza, and I'm like, yes, and I'm like, okay, this had to be our song. This must be our song, but unfortunately, it wasn't ours. It's okay.
Okay. Wali oluyimba olulala ng'ojjako bankuza?
Ng'ojjako bankuza. tewali because bwe nandyagadde olulala lubeere lwaffe ffekka tululimu nga kolabo
tobanga ogamba gutujja wali olabyeko ekifaananyi kya Rema nokitunulira emirundi
yes nenkaaba
kyali kifaananyi yali ambadde ate
she was too smart zali brands babiyita batya
brand fashion
yes
Ashfa.
Exactly yes is that 2017
yes
yeah she was
Okay.
too smart yes for life.
trending and dress eyo
Nakitunulira nenkaaba yes she was too smart for life very very smart everything was perfect the hair held
Yes.
the purse she was holding
Yes.
the dress
Yes.
yamukuba ekifaananyi ekijeyo bulungi everything was perfect about that day she was really smart yeah
okay ng'ogyeko touch my body luyimba ki olwa Rema lw'owulira n'ogamba nti naye luno oluyimba abantu baali luwulidde ne bategeera Rema kyagamba
bali luwulidde ne bakola
ne bafuna message erimu teeka tebategeera Rema kyayimbako
Banyabo
Banyabo
yes that song is so good
okay
that song nsuubira twalukolamu nesho naye nsuubira twandirukubyemu n'ekisaawe because nalaba nga Serena yali temala that song is really nice oluyimba olwo lugendera ddala deep down ku maama ali down there in kasokoso kitegeera azuukuka ku makya n'ategeka abaana you know and all that n'agenda n'asiika muwogo ku kkubo anoonya ekyokulya n'avaayo n'asanga nga tebabibye ng'omuntu tamusasudde ssente nga yagenze tukaakana tekalina kyakulya mama talina school fees abamama abamu bazaalira ku nguudo that song is large oluyimba lugazi nnyo in that nze ndaba nga lwali lwetaaga abantu okuluwa nnyo much more attention n'okuluteeka ku Serena ne tulutuma nti Banyabo concert nze nalaba nga Serena yali tetumala I thought something like Nambole or something bigger than Serena yandibadde ejja mu luyimba olwo like ne lufittingira ddala ekifo kyalwo bamaama ne bajja ne bawitnessinga oluyimba lwa Banyabo it is a very huge song.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Tukyali ku Sakata vibes. Simanyi oba oli mu fashion oba otunda fashion. Kikyokola?
I do both.
Oli model?
In that, no, I'm not a model, but I can look at you and I'm like, okay, senior bitch mukekigenda okumunyumira kankimufunire. So okukutunuulira n'enkulaba ki ekikunyumira n'okukufunira ekikunyumira those are two different things. Basically I can look at you and I'm like, no, this is not going to work for you, this is not for you, and I can look at you and I'm like, okay, this shoe will work for you. That is basically so sirika ebyo nti no, let me just get you what suits you. No, ndaba nti kijja kunyumira nekitajja kunyumira.
Fashion yo bagita bali?
Angel Trendy Store.
Okay, ayetaze ebintu bye.
Eyetaze ebintu yange agenda na following ku page yange. Bagiyita Trendy Store.
Yes.
And Omulala na following ku Angel as my personal page. Nalaba chini nawo.
Yes.
And they can as well contact me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same inbox ya Facebook.
My phone number is 0701 993770.
Nemwe namba basabasajja tebakubira na kusumbuwa.
Manyi kyenjagala basically. I came here to do what I think is right.
Okay.
And yes, basically mbera manyi kyenjagala.
Okay. Singa okugamba omuntu agula ekintu n'atakisima n'akikomyawo. Oli otya?
Natakisima n'akikomyawo. Basically nsitera nnyo okulondera abantu bintu. It is up to you nkuwa variety of what of the things you want. So it is up to you to choose. Bw'okyuzinga kitali kirungi it is tusobola okubeera nga tulina engeri gye tukikompensatinga but basically gwabeera kirondedde. So I don't really think nti osobola okukikomyawo nga gwabeera kirondedde because it is your choice. Kyobeera walonze.
Bw'otunuulira omwana wo ne wetunuulira like 3 years ago kyekikugira
3 years ago.
Yes.
Oh, but you know when I was 3 years, me and 3 years ago are two different things. First of all, I did not think that I could ever give birth soon.
Yes.
But then I asked God to give me a kid at 23 years. Usually when I linga nfukamira nensaba Katonda nalinga mugambanga ampa omwana at 24 years.
Okay.
So Katonda yampa omwana at 23 years old. And I'm really blessed to have my baby because Katonda yampa namusaba.
Okay.
Yeah, namusaba omwana omulungi.
You have a beautiful daughter.
Thank you. Namusaba omwana omulungi, sincerely speaking. Buli we nafukamiranga ne musaba namugambanga Katonda ompa omwana omulungi. Katonda ompa omwana neeyagaza, Katonda ompa omwana gwe ntunulako ne ngamba I'm really blessed to have you as my girl or my baby and all that. So namusaba omwana omulungi. Omwana yatanjokeseeko. Abaana nga bageya. Ekyana kibiye. Bageya gwe.
Bakuma batya obufumbo?
Bakuma batya obufumbo? Naki?
Oli mufumbo bakuma batya obufumbo?
Like we talked earlier, bufumbo is all about understanding each other. N'omusajja n'omusajja butamusiibya njala butamusuza njala. It is all about that.
Kale. Okay. Tuyanze abali ku Sakata vibes. No, tamara ku subscribinga. Tubadde ne Angel, nze DJ Senior B, the Remix Wizard. Nja kutumirako Jeno Salim kutumiddeko nnyo. Salute afande. Lwakuba sikusanzeewo but next time nja kujjanga oli of course. Amanyi ga mugongo ku kamera webale nnyo emirimu. Sakata vibes. Tesobola kusuka waawo. Tetulina omubuuza bibadde binnyine. Tubikomyawo kuba ate kagawandagaza taliiko gwe tubadde tusinga okwetaaga. Sakata.